Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Roblox application and then we're going to go to the Roblox setting, go to more option and you're going to open up the settings. Okay, here you can go to account info and you need to make sure that your email address has been verified. As you can see, mine has been verified and you need to be more than 13 years old. Okay, my age has been verified as well. Okay, I'm already more than 13 years old. And after our account has been verified, we can go back to the settings and you're going to open up privacy and content restrictions. Okay, then here select communication and go to the voice chat, and here you can enable the microphone. Okay, and then I'm going to click on enable, and then you need to make sure that you have allowed Roblox to access your microphone. You can open up your setting and then you can open the Roblox and you can update your app permissions. Okay, you need to allow microphone for Roblox. So the microphone will be activated for the voice chat. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Roblox and I'm going to open up one of the games in Roblox. Okay, for example, I'm just going to open up the Dress to Impress game. And then the microphone icon will appear during the game. Okay, guys. Okay, after you activate the voice chat, you will get this microphone icon in the game. This one, guys, nearby the chat menu. And you can click on this microphone icon to activate your microphone. And after you activate your microphone, you will be able to chat with your friend in the game with this voice chat. Okay, just click on this microphone icon. And now my microphone is activated. Okay. And if you want to change the input, you just need to go to the setting. And okay guys, that's all the way to enable voice chat in Roblox application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!